Okay, ladies and gents, I am not a gardener and either a farmer, but I find joy by planting flowers. And this year, I want to grow something to eat. So I went on Amazon and buy this for $79. This is a 50-gallon of rainwater collector tank or barrel. And I have to do all of those work. See, this is my gutter. I have to cut it. I went to Lowe's and buy this for $8. And then I disconnect it from my sewer line and then try to collect some water. So now, if you want to do this job yourself, you're going to need some tools. See, I just cut my gutter. So now, this is what I have. I have a hammer here. I barely use it. I have all of those drill bits, and I use this. I don't know what to call it. Whatever. And then to cut my gutter, this is an impact something drill, you know, because I wanted to relocated my bracket. For me to do that, I have to drill into the concrete wall. And it was very hard to do, but I have tools. And so far, my plants are getting big. If you don't know, this is a setup for Airbnb. It's kind of dirty, it's raining all day, so I need to clean up a little bit. And I've been wanting this short-term rental for 3 years. When my guests come, this is the area they sit down and relax. They breathe, and then, why not having a hot tub? After a long visit to New York City, you gotta have a hot tub. So, yeah. And look at my plants. Now, I plant those randomly. I don't mark them. Basically, I'm not sure if this is tomato or pepper or something else. I probably can identify some tomato, but like this is blueberry. I buy this like this on Lowe's. This blueberry plant. I have like two, and then I think I have. This is blueberry. This is strawberry, and hopefully I'll be able to make something. So I have something coming up. It's been raining a lot lately. And look at this. I have some stuff in here. Hey, look at this. Okay, so now I went to Home Depot and they have a flower bed or raised garden bed for $149. This doesn't cost me nothing. This is spare wood from all over the place I find and build this. Now, is it cute? I don't think so. I don't have enough tools to make it like, cute little whatever. But I think I have enough tools to make this raised bed. So it's probably too high, but I think it's fine. I have a lot of stuff coming up in this area. And I have my own campus. I do buy organic raised bed soil, but I do have a compost. You can see eggshell somewhere here, stuff like that. Now I have to do the same thing with this because I buy two of this barrel. Cost $79 a piece, and then I come and cut my gutter and hopefully be able to collect some rain, because I do not want to use New York City water. It's a lot of chlorine in there for the plant. So it's been raining lately, so it's fine. My plants are happy, I guess. And look at the lavender. See this lavender there? I planted this lavender last year, and then the lavender went to the winter and was like ugly. So I said, okay, well, probably I'm gonna rip it off and use this, uh, you know, container to plant my blueberries. And all of a sudden, the lavender is back. So for whatever reason, this crazy lavender is really, really resistant to the cold weather. So wildflower, whatever it is. So look at this. All right, ladies and gents, I think that's enough. Uh, those flowers were beautiful lately, but anyway, hopefully they come back. That's it. If you want to see more of my garden, please let me know. I can put some more content for you about my garden.